Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm now introducing some healthy recipes on my channel. Hope you will enjoy these recipes and try them out. Today I'm sharing a delicious cucumber salad with you. For this recipe, we need 1 cucumber, 2 tablespoons of roasted peanut powder, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, chopped cilantro, few pieces of chopped green chili, salt to taste, and around 1 teaspoon of sugar. So let's start this recipe. For this recipe, we need a medium-sized cucumber. First of all, we will peel this cucumber. Cucumber is very hydrating. It has a lot of water and it has a lot of fiber, so it is good for the gut. After peeling the cucumber, we will grate this cucumber. When we grate this cucumber, then a lot of water is released from this cucumber. So we will squeeze water from this grated cucumber. We will not discard the water. We will either drink it or you can also apply it on the face. So your face will glow. Now this is all squeezed grated cucumber. We'll put it in the bowl. So here is all the cucumber. Now we will add few pieces of chopped green chilies to it and then some chopped cilantro. Here goes the cilantro. We will now add 2 tablespoons of roasted peanut powder. Roasted peanut powder has a lot of health benefits. It is packed with proteins and omega-3 fatty acids, which is very healthy. After that, now we add some salt and around 1 teaspoon of sugar. So here goes the sugar. Now we will add few drops of lemon juice, actually 2 teaspoons. So you can either take 1 whole lemon if it is a small one, otherwise take half a lemon if it is big. The combination of salt, sugar and lemon juice is delicious. So after adding that, you can mix the entire salad. Just remember that add salt, sugar and lemon juice just before consuming the salad. Otherwise, it will become very watery. Water will be released from cucumber. So here is your cucumber salad ready. You can have it with the flat bread or you can just have it as a snack. It is delicious and healthy. I hope you enjoy this recipe. You will try it out. If you like this video, then give it a like and subscribe.